Hi students, myself Hatira. Today I came in front of you to discuss regarding to the concept of sets and numericals based upon the sets. In the last class we were discussed regarding to the concept of sets. Today we will discuss regarding to the numericals based upon these sets. So let us recap the concept of sets once again. If you are not gone through the whole concept of sets, please go through the video which is provided with the whole concept of sets in a single video. That is around 59 minutes is there. So please go through that is and please complete the concept and come to this video, because lesson concept, if you know any question you can able to do or you can understand what I am able to explain here. So the collection of items or numbers or object is called as a sets. Sets are of two types. They are well defined and which are not well defined. So the collection of numbers or items or objects which are well defined, they are called as a sets. So these sets are of different types. Okay, so naming of a set is done in the form of capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y and as well as Z. Okay, and at the same time the elements are represented in the form of two ways. They are of one is nothing but a roster form. Second one is a set builder form. So these are the representation of sets. Roster form means the elements of a set is represented by means of comma. They are called rosters of roster form. Representation of in the form of set builder means sets are represented by means of the property of the elements. Okay, next coming to the types of sets, we have different types of sets. Null set, it means there is no elements in the set, is called as a null set. It is also called as a void set, or it is also called as a empty set. So represented by phi, or it is simply in curly bracket without element. If a set is having only one term like 7 single term, then it's called as a single term set. If set is having a finite number of items, okay, like the numbers which are less than 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, it is a finite set. Okay, the set having there is no countable numbers like a set of natural numbers. Okay, it is infinite set. A set is consisting of all the set, it is called as a universal set. Like in number system, real number is nothing but universal set. Disjoint set. Okay, if the set is, if any two sets like a even number set 2, 4, 6 and so on, and another set is an odd number set. Okay, if you perform the operation between them, that is nothing but a intersection operation, there is no common element between them, then they are called as the disjoint sets. Basically we have another form of representation of sets is nothing but a Venn diagram representation. So this Venn diagram representation also we were discussed in the last class. Please go through that video. And coming to the union operation and as well as the intersection operation, basic operations on the set, and at the same time difference in sets. Union means if there is a two sets are there, we will combine and we will write it, that is called as a union. Intersection means if there is a two sets are there, common elements between the two sets are called as a intersection. Difference means one set is subtracted from the other set, it is nothing but the difference of a set. Apart from this is we have a fundamental theorem, that is n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, this is nothing but fundamental theorem. This is what the concept behind the whole lesson. Okay, now let us start the numericals based upon these concepts. In today's video, I am going to discuss regarding to the 1. Do these questions on the sets, and do these questions on the belongs to the set, do these questions on the roster form, do these questions from the, again there is a, try these questions on the roster form. Let us see the first question. Okay, that is set of first 5 positive integers. So let us say I am saying set A, it is set of first 5 positive integers which are like 1, 2, 0 also includes in this, is 0 also a positive integer. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the first 5 positive integers. Next, second one, set of multiples of 5 more than 100 less than it is less than 125. Set B is having a more than 100. It is 105, 110, 115, okay, 120. So these are the multiples of 5. Just you add 102 plus 5 every time. You will get an element of that particular set. Next, answer to the question that is set of first 5 cube numbers. Okay, first cube numbers. So let us say third one answer is set C is a set of first 5 cubes. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. Okay, 5 cube is 125. 5 cube is 125. I hope you understood how we make a cube. 1 into 1 into 1 is called as a 1 cube is 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is called as a 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, it is 2 cube. Similarly, remaining is next fourth one. If you see set of digits in a Ramanujan number. Everybody, do you know the Ramanujan number? It is a 1729, 1729. So these are the elements of the Ramanujan number. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Okay, coming to the next. So this is one more question. You have to see the number and you have to write it is belongs to what. So first one is a belongs to natural number. See, the question is, I will read and I will make you understand. Some numbers are given below. Decide the number which is the numbers to which number set belongs to or does not belongs to. Express with the correct symbol. Okay, so which you know, you do that is only. So first one is belongs to, it is a natural number. Okay, second one 0 belongs to whole number but not belongs to natural number. Similarly, remaining questions also you have to answer. -4, it is belongs to integer but -4 does not belongs to whole number. -4 does not belongs to natural number. Next, fourth one, if you see, it is a 5/6. You know about the 5 by 6, it is a rational number. I already discussed about it is. Okay. So rational number is in the form of P by Q will be, rational number is represented with the symbol Q. But 5 by 6, it is not belongs to natural. 5 by 6 not belongs to whole. 5 by 6 not belongs to, it is an integer even. Okay, next 6 1, see that 6 1 actually root 2 it is belongs to the irrational number represented with a q dash, or it is also represented with sometimes s also, or root 2 is belongs to s. You can write it, root 2 does not belongs to natural number, root 2 does not belongs to, it is a whole number, root 2 does not belongs to integer, root 2 does not belongs to, it is a rational number even. Okay, it is not, cannot be written in the form of P by Q, because it is not, it doesn't having a P by Q form, because it is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal, root 2 is. Okay, I hope you understood. Let us go with some more questions. So next, seventh one, if you see, it is log 2. Log 2 is not natural number. If you don't know anything, just you write it's not a natural, means if it is not a natural number, one answer is enough. If you know all factors, then you can write it. Okay, if you know all, then you write it. Next, 0.03. It is not a natural number. It is not a whole number. Okay, it is not belongs to, it is not belongs to integer. Yes, it is belongs to rational number, because it is a terminating decimal. Okay, then we can say it is belongs to rational number. Pi I told you in my explanation. Okay, there is a video on a number system is there, you go through it, is you can understand about it. Okay, so ninth one, if you see, pi is belongs to rational number. Rational is represented with the, irrational number, it is q dash. Okay, it is not belongs to natural natural number, whole number, it not belongs to integer. Okay, it is not belongs to rational. Okay, you can write those also. Next, 10th one, if you see, there is a under square root of -4 is there. See, my dear students, under square root of -4 is not a natural, not a whole, not an integer, not an rational, not an irrational. Then what? It is a complex number. It is complex number. Complex is nothing but it is a imaginary number. Okay, root under square root of negative number is called imaginary number. Imaginary numbers are nothing but complex numbers. Okay, so remaining all sets, it means representations, you can write it. I hope you understood. Next question. List the elements of the following sets. So elements we have to write it. So try to see carefully the answers one by one and try to understand how I am writing for this. So very easily I will tell you how to write the factors. First question. So first question, all factors of 20. So write 20 over there on side of your paper and draw a straight line down and start writing table. 1 20s are 20, 2 table 2 10s are, 3 table not divisible, 4 5s are, again 5 4s are will come. See, this is the best method. I can say that nobody will not tell you this kind of method of writing all factors. Okay, you will roam for the searching of numbers. This that is not appropriate method. This is the best method of writing all factors. So G is a set. We are writing in the set in the form of roster. It is 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 10 comma 20. So this is only the best method among all. The answer is this is. Next, F is the set that is multiples of 4 and between 17 and as well as 61 and divisible by 28. Just simply do that, which are multiples of 4, in that they should be divisible with 7. Then make a LCM of them. LCM of 4 comma 7, that is they are co-primes. Co-primes means they doesn't have a common factor in between them. 4 and 7 are not having a common factors. Then they can say LCM of the co-primes is a product 28. Okay, is it clear? 28 is nothing but the LCM. So which are divisible by 4 and 7. 4 and 7, in between these two we have to see. So they are simply F is set. So 28 is 1. Another one, double of 28 is 56. So these are the two elements which are present in between them, 17 and as well as 61. Next set, so third one, if you see, this is based on the set definition. The elements of the set should be distinct. Means M in a word madam, M, A, D. M and A again both are repeated, so we should not write them back. So answer is MAD, mad. Okay, I'm not mad and you are not mad, just answer is mad here. Okay, next one, P is a set of whole numbers in between 3.5 to 6.7. 3.5 is a whole number, after that is a 4, next 5, it is 6, 6.7 after there is a whole number is 7, but they were asked in between, that is, so answer is 4, 5, 6. This is about the first one. Next, if you see for the second, if you see, that is, write the following sets in the roster form. Okay, B is a set of all months in the year having a 30 days. Okay, so let us see 30 days. You can take your hand and simply you can write it. The upper bump which having your hand is nothing but 31 days. Next is the 30 days. Okay, in this manner you can write it. You can take a pen and you can start writing over there and you can write it. January is having a 31 days, but we want 30. February will have having a 30 days. Next March, January, February, March, April is having a, next May will not be having, June is having, July, okay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September is have, okay, September, October will not have, November is having, okay. So these are the sets which having a 30 days in the month. Okay, next see that is. P is a set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. So P is a set of prime numbers smaller than 10, which are like first prime number we know, that is even prime, 2, 3, 5, 7, and as well as getting in. Okay, next it is X is set of all colors in rainbow. So V I B G Y O R. VBGR colors will be in the set. Okay. Last question. This is, so write the all factors. So factors writing, I already told you, if there is a 12 is number, then it is divisible. 1 12s are 12, 2 6s are 3 4s are. So in this 5 is not there. So this is what our answer is. Okay. Next question. So here try these questions on the basis of write some set your choice involving algebraic and geometric ideas. Okay, so you can write it like two-dimensional figures, okay, three-dimensional figures, names, and like algebraic expressions means we can write like 1 2 3 like numbers which are involving natural number. In that way you can able to write answer for this question. Okay, next question, if you see, match the following. In the match the following, there is a one side there is a roster form is there, other side there is a set builder form is there. We have to combine them. So you can see the word of a principle is there. So these words will be in this set builder form. This is next. Next, 0 is the element. Where there is a 0, you can see x plus 1 is equals to 1. Then x is equals to 1 minus this 1 is has come this side. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is belongs to this C set. Next, there is another expression you can see on RHS side. X square minus 9 is equal to 0. Transfer this 9. Then x square is equals to 9. X is nothing but plus or minus square root of 9. That is plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So x is having a plus 3 comma minus 3. So this is a B belongs to the fourth one. And last, it is belongs to all the positive integers and it divisors. Divisors means, again I am saying, it is nothing but factors. So 1 18s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 6 are 18. So these are the factors, except that is nothing will be. So this is the best method I told you for writing factors. So this is what the answer. So answer is for this matching is about this. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept. So in this class we were discussing regarding to some of the questions which are based upon the what is set and belongs to the set, and as well as roster and as well as set builder form related questions. Have a great day. Thank you. In the next class we will meet with the first exercise.